Okay, for 84, they want us to find g of negative 5. So let's start. I have g of negative 5 equals negative 5 cubed minus 2. So g of negative 5 equals negative 5 cubed is negative 5 times negative 5 is 25, times negative 5 is negative 125 minus 2. So we get g of negative 5 equals negative 127 for A. Okay, let's do B. We can fit that here. We have g of negative 5 equals 7 plus the square root of 4 minus negative 5, right? First step, you just substitute. Okay, so we get g of negative 5 equals 7 plus 4 plus 5, right? 4 plus 5, which is 9. So we get g of negative 5 equals 7 plus 3. G of negative 5 equals 10 for B. Okay, for C, let's make some space. So C, we have g of negative 5 equals the cubed root of negative 5 plus negative 59, plus negative 59, right? So g of negative 5 equals the cubed root of negative 64, right? So g of negative 5 equals negative 4, right? Because negative 4 times negative 4 is 16, times negative 4 is negative 64. Okay, on D, we have g of negative 5 equals negative 4 times negative 5 minus 1, the absolute value, right? So g of negative 5 equals negative 4 times negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6. So we have g of negative 5 equals negative 4. The absolute value of negative 6 is 6. So g of negative 5 equals negative 24.